Page 14, Hungarian Folk Song. 2/4 time, 1 flat, we're in the key of F major. All the B's are flatted, 8th notes all over. Let's take it one hand at a time, make sure we got the fingering and all that worked out. I'm going to start with the right hand, and it doesn't come in until measure 5, and we're here for it. Here. Don't forget the B flat. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Not too bad, I hope. Measure 9's a little tricky, but you get all that. Let's go down to measure 13. So as you're resting on beat 1, so it's 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and. So watch out on the rests, and that's really about all it is. It's very repetitious, a lot. Left hand has these broken chords. You're here, it's an F chord. It's just 1 and 2. I'm just rotating here. I'm just transferring weight from one side of the hand to the other. That's all it is. You have to listen carefully to get these notes down at the same time if you can. Focus on that. In measure 5, it's a G and an F. It's the same action. It's just switch which fingers are down. The B flat. That's pretty much it for the left hand. Put them together, starting at measure 5, where they play together. You're here. Sometimes I find it a little easier not to listen too closely to the harmony. Bartók's harmony was a little different than Beethoven's harmony, let's say. So just make sure you're playing the right notes at the right time. We'll let Bartók worry about the harmony. So measure 13, you're here. So forth. We go back and add this the articulation. Slurs, lift up, staccato. That's light wrist staccato here. Keep the left hand all connected. I'm only lifting up in the right hand, not the left. So, then measure 13, you have in the right hand the line of the tenuto line. Hang on to that, linger on that. You linger on it, have a. Linger on it. When you get down toward the bottom of page 15, let's say about starting at measure 28, you're here. Lift up, lift up, lift up. Now you get staccato in both hands. Now, dynamic wise, you're starting out soft here. And then in measure 5, the right hand gets it's moderately loud. The left hand stays soft. You'll have to decide what moderately loud is and soft and all that. But then at the end of measure 12, there's a repeat sign. You go back to the reverse repeat sign at measure 5. Now you're going to play it soft in the right hand. That's what the MF-P means. First time is moderately loud, second time is soft. The left hand has to be very soft. And then when you get down to measure 13, now you're loud. You can come up to about a moderately loud or so in the left hand, but keep it under the right. And then in measure 17, you're going to echo that. You're going to play it soft, and the left hand's going to be very soft. In measure 21, you're loud again. In measure 25, you echo that. You're soft. Stay soft. Well, all the time on measure 29 on, the right hand is soft, The left hand has to be in the background. We want to hear the right hand there. We tend to get, because we're doing so much with the left hand, we tend to just automatically play it louder. And it gets in the way. You know, it gets in the way. So you got to make it a point to keep the left hand in the background. They're backup singers or whatever. Speed-wise, allegro. That's the feel of it. Is that allegro? I don't know, not quite, but... To me, that's more like an allegro. It's a slow allegro, but it's sort of an allegro. Well, if that's the case, then they'd make the... I'd like to play it with you very slowly to double check the notes, and the rhythm shouldn't be a problem for the most part. I'm going to give us 2 counts because it's in 2/4 time. Now let's try it together slowly. I'm not going to do any dynamics, but I will do the repeat. And I'll try and do the staccatos and the slurs and all that. So I'm going to go ready and go and, because that's 2 counts. Ready and go, that's 2. Ready and go and.